It's your boy Made by Chubb, aka Two Braids. aka Two Braids.
What did he say?
I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a heat press vinyl t-shirt. I don't have any vinyl in stock, so we will be going to the vinyl store, checking out, see what they got. Atlanta has a lot of cool spots when it comes to wholesale clothing, heat press vinyl, anything that has to do with making custom clothes. So today we're gonna go check out one of the spots and we're gonna get some vinyl and I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a t-shirt. Very simple. Let's go.
Later that same evening.
Alright, so we're in the car now, on our way to the vinyl spot. We want to get a t-shirt and some heat press vinyl. And then go back to the house and make it happen.
One eternity later.
Alright, I'm back in the coach lab. Let's see what we got here. We got a 5-yard roll of black, a 5-yard roll of white. I got a yard of this glow in the dark that we're going to use for today's video. And I got a black shirt that's also for today's video. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let me show you the equipment I'm going to be using today. Got my 16 by 20 press right there. Going to be using the computer also. And then we got the vinyl cutter over there from US Cutter. Alright, so I decided that we're going to be making this a Halloween edition. We're going to be cutting the skeleton chest with the glow in the dark vinyl. Alright, let me start by loading this vinyl on the vinyl cutter. Alright, there we have it loaded. Back over here at the computer, about to get ready to cut the vinyl. I have it set up as 11.5 since we're only working with a 12-inch piece of vinyl. So let me go ahead and get this cut, get it started. There we have the vinyl cutter doing this thing, cutting the design out. When it gets done, we're going to have to weed it out, and that just consists of pulling all the excess vinyl off. And then we will press it on the t-shirt. Alright, here we go. We have the cut piece of vinyl. Some people use a weeder. I really don't use one. I just find a spot and I just go with it. Not too hard of a design. It probably has some spots that don't come up right, but that's how it is working with vinyl. I really don't work with a lot of vinyl these days, but we will get into what I do use on later videos. Alright, let me set this heat press to, we're going to set it to 330 degrees for 30 seconds. All right, let me start by putting this shirt on here. I'm gonna give it a little pre-press. All right, I gave it a pre-press. Now I'm gonna set the design on top. It's gonna be a cool little design, just glow in the dark. Perfect for any kind of Halloween parties, anything like that. And I believe this is a coat peel. So we're gonna press it for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna let it cool and we have a finished shirt. So let's get going.
Few moments later.
Alright, here we have this shirt. We're gonna let it cool off and then I will show you the finished product. Alright, now that it has cooled off, now we're gonna take this top layer off. This comes right off. Should come up with it. And what I usually do, I'll press this again for another 30 seconds just to make sure it's in there good and it doesn't come off with washes. But here we have it. Okay, I'm gonna press this thing again for another 30 seconds. This time I'm gonna use my Teflon sheet. I'm gonna cover it up. Press it in. And let it go. 30 seconds.
Few moments later.
There we have it. All done, finished product. Skeleton chest. Glow in the dark. All right, here we have it. Finished product. You guys have any questions or anything? Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think about this process. I'm going to show you right now how it looks with the lights off. Give me 1 second, turn them off. How you like me now? Pretty dope, huh? This shirt also glows. All right, there you have it. Glow in the dark t-shirt.